Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming power and gathering your prescribed medication. This prevents interruptions mid-treatment. Once done, wash your hands and set the mesh nebulizer on a flat, stable surface so it won't tip. Open the medication chamber and draw the exact dose. Accurate dosing matters because mesh devices deliver fine particles efficiently. Make sure the unit is switched off while loading. This avoids spillage and ensures the mesh isn't energized during filling. Then gently secure the chamber lid and attach the mouthpiece or mask. Now assemble the delivery interface. Clip the mouthpiece or fit the mask snugly. A good seal ensures most medication reaches the lungs rather than escaping. Turn the unit on. You should see a fine, consistent mist within 10 to 20 seconds. If not, stop and check placement. You inhale slowly and deeply for each breath. This increases deposition in the lower airways. For children or those who can't coordinate, use quiet tidal breathing and extend session time slightly to capture the full dose. When treatment is complete, turn the device off and carefully disassemble. Discard any leftover solutions safely. Do not store it for later. Rinse the medication chamber, mouthpiece, and mask with warm water, then air dry on a clean towel. This prevents bacterial growth and preserves mesh performance. If you don't see mist at startup, make sure power is connected, the chamber is seated correctly, and no debris blocks the mesh. Gently clean the mesh per manufacturer steps if clogged, and test again before use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.